Hello, my name is Eva Wilson, and the company that I will be presenting is Peloton Interactive Inc. What is Peloton? Peloton is an interactive exercise equipment media company based in New York City. Peloton produces exercise equipment and instructor-led classes online that users across the world can participate in. So the equipment that people are able to purchase, they are able to interact with the instructors and the other users throughout the world via the interactive options within each class, or if it is a pre-recorded class. The history of Peloton. Peloton was founded in January 2012 by former Barnes & Noble e-commerce executive John Foley, and here's a picture of John Foley to the right. The first prototype of the Peloton bike was designed in 2013, and then in 2014, the first Peloton studio was opened in Manhattan, New York, where spin instructors started recording their classes. Peloton's mission statement. So Peloton's mission is Peloton uses technology and design to connect the world through fitness, empowering people to be the best version of themselves anywhere and anytime. That mission statement definitely meant a lot throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, since it's definitely a global pandemic. People weren't able to get out as they normally would, since gyms and other places of fitness were closed. So being able to have this in people's homes was definitely a benefit to a lot of people, including myself. The Peloton equipment. Two of the biggest sellers for Peloton is their Peloton bike, which is a spin bike, and the Peloton tread. So the Peloton bike starts at $1,195, and the Peloton tread starts at $2,345. So the Peloton bike, as you can see in the picture to the left, it's stabilized with stabilizers at the bottom. The red knob in the middle, that's where you would use to emergency, if you had to do an emergency stop. But the screen at the top right, that's one of the most important parts of the bike. Of course, that's the interactive screen that you're able to follow along with the instructor, and you're able to see the other people that are in the class, and you're able to interact with them directly from that screen. And the same with the treadmill. The tread looks like almost a normal tread, but the top left is where you would see that interactive screen, where you would be able to follow along with the instructor as well as interact with others that are in that class. Currently, the competitors of Peloton right now are Mirror. These are the top competitors presently. Mirror, Equinox Fitness, SoulCycle, and Bit Movement. Peloton has had an interesting position within the stock market. Peloton's cost per share did rise more at the height of the COVID-19 global pandemic, with many people being indoors again. A lot of people were not able to get out, so the cost per share for Peloton did rise more during the height of the pandemic. So that's where we did see more sales for that company. Career opportunities at Peloton. Peloton does offer a wide range of employment opportunities worldwide, and some of these opportunities are at brick and mortar locations. Others may be virtual. And some of the areas of interest are retail, field operations, software operations and logistics, membership, marketing, content, creative, enterprise information technology, finance, hardware, legal, people, product design, product management, studio operations, music, and sales. Music is a big part of what the instructors use in their class as background, and music typically motivates a lot of people as well. So that is one of the career opportunities that I thought was interesting with Peloton. If you do want to work at Peloton, they do have information that proves that they do offer a healthy work culture for their employees, whether it's giving discounts on their products, discounts on their membership, and proving that they have helped some of their employees improve their lifestyle and productivity at work. Last but not least, I do feel like Peloton is a well-maintained company. I think that they're very innovative, and I think that their mission statement definitely shows what they are and who they are as a company. I personally would work for the company because I love to exercise, and I'm constantly pushing myself to do better emotionally, mentally, and physically. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. I hope you all have a wonderful day.